Before we start the video, I would like to say something. We are hosting an Xbox Pass Ultimate giveaway which will be valid for 3 months. To enter the giveaway, just subscribe to our channel and write down a comment. One lucky commenter will be chosen as the winner, so good luck. Airbus has today introduced its third Beluga XL aircraft to its fleet. The shiny new bulb-headed giant flew from Airbus's plant in Toulouse to Chester Hawarden Airport, home of its Broughton plant, where wings for most of its products are produced. It's the third of 6 Beluga XLs that will be introduced to the Airbus fleet by 2023. Registered Foxtrot Golf X-Ray Lima, India, the third Beluga flew from Toulouse to Chester in the northwest of England. Taking off at 11:04 yesterday morning, it flew for 2 hours and 34 minutes before landing at 12:39 local at Chester Hawarden Airport. The XL apparently had some windy conditions to deal with, as it made a couple of low passes before setting off for a bit of a detour around the area for a few minutes. On the third approach, she landed safely, completing the first revenue flight of this third Beluga XL. Despite being just 4 miles southwest of the city of Chester, Hawarden Airport is actually in Flintshire, Wales. It is home to Airbus UK's Broughton site, where Airbus produces wings for all models of aircraft, with the exception of the A220. It has a long and colorful history in aviation, from being a shadow factory in World War II for Vickers Armstrongs Limited, producing Avro Lancasters and Vickers Wellingtons. After the war, de Havilland built a multitude of aircraft at the site, and in the 60s, it became part of the Hawker Siddeley aviation business. Now, however, it is one of the main plants for Airbus in the UK, employing around 6,000 workers. F-WBXL, the third Beluga XL to join Airbus's fleet, will be working hard transporting the output from the factory to final assembly lines for many years to come. Where will it fly? The Beluga XLs have a very niche route map. As it is solely for transporting aircraft components between Airbus sites, it flies exclusively between production sites in Europe and its final assembly lines in Toulouse in France, Hamburg in Germany, and Tianjin in China. Recently, Airbus added Jeddah in Spain to the network of these planes. The aircraft is based on the A330 freighter. Its predecessor, the Beluga ST, was a modified A300. At 63 meters long and 8 meters wide, the Beluga XL has a superior cargo capacity compared with the original Beluga ST, and can transport 2 complete Airbus A350 wings in one go, while the Street could only take 1 at a time. Airbus is slowly replacing its fleet of STs with the modern XL versions. In total, it will build 6 of these giant planes, with the aim to have all in operation by 2023. With 3 now in operation, Airbus is well on schedule to achieve this goal. But with only 6 Belugas flying around, you'll be a lucky spotter if you get to see one. Well, if you guys liked the video, if you did, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, do not forget to participate in the giveaway. With the Xbox Game Pass, you can also get Discord Nitro, Netflix subscription, Spotify Premium and a lot more other cool stuff. So do not miss this golden opportunity. Well, that is it for this video. Wishing you all safe skies. Goodbye.